Welcome to Wildflower. My name is Romina Rasmussen and I am the pastry chef at Les Madeleines in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today we're going to be making a chocolate cream cheese frosting. I have 2 cups of cream cheese frosting that I've already made and whipped up so that it's nice and soft. You can use homemade or store-bought, whatever works for you. And I've melted about 1/2 cup of nice dark chocolate. When you've got chocolate as the star of the show, you want to make sure you use a nice high quality chocolate so that it tastes as delicious as possible. So I'm going to get my mixture going and I'm going to pour in my chocolate. You want it to be warm enough that it's not going to set up as soon as it hits the cream cheese frosting, because then you'll end up with chocolate chip cream cheese frosting, and while that is still delicious, is not what we're going for today. I'm going to turn the speed up here. Oh, that looks luscious and creamy. Okay, and I'm just going to scrape down my sides quickly. It also helps if you've let your cream cheese frosting maybe just sit out for a little bit so that it's not quite room temperature, because that's a little too warm, and also, but that it's not cold just straight from the refrigerator. All right, that looks fabulous. All right, there you go, a nice and creamy chocolate cream cheese frosting, and that's how you do it.